It's time for a new series. Well, sort of. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So you see, when I first started watching YouTube, I started out with gardening, but that's not important. What happened is I started watching Dr. Pimple Popper, and I said, I think I need to start focusing on my skincare. Then I started getting stuff from into makeup and whatnot, you know, like the beauty stuff, and I decided I needed BoxyCharm and Ipsy and FabFitFun, which I have since canceled. But in this time, I have acquired a boatload of skincare. I swear I could pick this up. Bam. See it? Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I don't reach for the skincare. I basically wash my face with this Walmart version of a CeraVe cleanser. I throw on a moisturizer, also a CeraVe dupe from Walmart, and that's it. I have the jade rollers. I have a jade roller. I have a Clarisonic. I have a Solo Mio, which is a cheap version of Foreo. I got it on Amazon. And guys, I don't reach for it. Ever. So why not in September? Give it a shot. So what we're going to do is, for the first week of September, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm going to rotate. I'm getting out stuff. What we're going to do, I'm going to do it and take the camera along. I'll do a sheet mask. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't know the order, but I got this one from S&P Natural. It looks like a panda bear. I love it. I have this one. I think that's from Corona for dull and dehydrated skin. And this one from Tony Moly. It's a bubbling, peeling one. We'll give it a shot. And I have these 3 clay masks from L'Oreal. I have the same packaging in all of them. The black one, the peach one, and I have the green one. So for the first week, I'm going to do the sheet mask Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to do the clay ones on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I'm going to just give my skin a break on Sundays, but also show you, hey, what are the results so far? And we're just going to keep doing this throughout the entire month. And if we need to add more stuff, well, I've got enough. Right? Maybe in the second week but I've got hair masks, foot masks, sheet masks, clay masks, lip masks. I just have so many masks. So we'll do that. Alright, so check in next Sunday. We'll see how that looks. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.